Hello, in front of me I've got TECNO 18 Premier. In this video I'll show you how to access File Manager. In the beginning, let's go to App Drawer and now search for File Manager app. Enter it, and thanks to File Manager, you've got access to your audio, videos, images, apps, documents, WhatsApp, downloads, and more. Next, you can check your internal storage and you can release more space. Then you can check your recent files. Next, you can go to Menu, and that's basically it. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.